Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the sound from your earbuds stuttering or as intermittent. Of course, I'm talking about the Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. So the first thing that you need actually to perform is the hard reset, the factory reset. At first, open the case light over here and hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds. Now, after some period of time, you should be able to see this LED light flashing rapidly for 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The factory reset is now done. If it doesn't help you still, you need to, you need to unpair your earbuds from the phone, turn off your phone, and do the same process back again. If it still doesn't help you, you need to contact the device support because your device maybe is broken. Goodbye.